Here is the template show me and my future self, showing an image of a character and how he is aging 30 years after it. Here is the result. Christian Bale 30 years ago with his current supposed version that AI predicted. Now we're gonna use an actual image of Christian Bale right now and say to the AI to try and predict how he looked 30 years ago without giving a reference image for that. We are waiting a bit and now we got our result. You can see how the real version of 30 years ago on the left with the black suit looks, and next to him how the Meta AI Muse image generator imagined he will look 30 years after. And here you can see on the right with the black coat the current version of Christian Bale and how the AI predicted he will look 30 years ago. The results are decent, but we're gonna go to ChatGPT Image 2.0 that everyone is using right now, and I'm gonna give it the same prompt. First, I'm gonna give the image of the younger version of Christian Bale. Wait a bit and see the result. As you can see, the original version is with the black suit, and on the right we got the guess of the AI, how Christian Bale will look 30 years after the first image. It's a bit more accurate. Now I'm gonna give it the current version of the actor, now older, and I'm gonna say to try and de-age him 30 years back. Here is the 30 years younger version. It looks decent, but it's not exactly how he looked 30 years ago. To be honest, the results are good with both image generators. The Meta one is free. This is what will make a lot of people use it. And with ChatGPT, if you are on a free plan, you get only like 2-3 image generations per day. And after that, they ask you to pay for a plan. So even though Meta AI Muse image generators results aren't as great, it's still very usable, and this is a hard test that I run. With easier prompts and easier tests, it can get better, but this is one of the templates that they offer once you enter Meta AI new website. You can check the link to Meta AI to generate your own images. If you liked this video, you can like and subscribe.